down in Annapolis today on a waterfront home we've been working on for a while. Take a look here and see what we got going on today. Double?
Yeah, it's double. It's a 6 inch.
I know how to swim. I don't think Rudy does.
What?
Are you afraid of the water? Do you know how to swim?
We can't swim for nothing. If we can go there.
You can't swim?
No, we can't.
It's not too hard.
No, because that in the place in Guatemala, we don't have much places like that. We already have in the coast.
Yeah, I was
But
about to say, you got the north side.
Yeah, and if we can live in the mountains, we can see all this stuff.
You've been here for 25 years. Come on. You can go up to Sandy Point.
Yeah, but we don't go any another places like that. Oh! Hey!
Nice.
Maybe we are recording.
That boat's moving. Oh my goodness.
Several days later.
How you doing, Rude? Doing good?
Yeah.
Jersey helping you at all?
Yeah.
She been sleeping?
No, she left in 30 minutes ago.
Oh, I was just kidding you.
No, that's the one we already told you this
Yeah.
morning.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
I was just kidding you.
No. She left in 30 minutes ago.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
Beautiful out here, isn't it? Beautiful. Beautiful day. What are these guys doing out here in the waterfront, Rude?
Or the sidewalk.
Sidewalk?
The sidewalk is the one we already made it up and
How's it looking?
looks good.
Come on, let's go take a look.
Yeah, it's different.
I was talking to Graydon up at the intersection. He was going to go get you a bit.
Yeah, that's the one because we need a cross. This one is a double.
Double?
Yeah, it's double. It's a 6 inches each one.
6 inches?
And if we already got double there, it's 12 inches, the one we need to cross underneath there.
Okay. They got some wire in here, don't they? That's good. That ain't going to go nowhere. I think the concrete's truck coming. A couple minutes. I called them right now. They're going to come up the river on a barge, and come and then land by helicopter and put your concrete in.
All right.
Yeah, I know. I'm just giving you a hard time, dude. I'm just giving you a hard time.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, a lot of hard work. Looking good though. You guys do nice work. A lot of work.
Yeah, no, thank you.
All righty, Rudy. I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna run around the corner. I'll come back. Okay? I'll see you guys in a minute. See ya. Rudy, how you doing since I've been going?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Get everything put back together?
Yeah, I tied together all this stuff and we already put it back.
Guys, got all this tied in, cleaning this all up. Guys are working on the sidewalk out at the bulkhead out there. That's landscapers, has nothing to do with us. They concrete contractors, I should say. They're out there working. Saying hello to those guys. Never met them before, but seem like a good bunch of guys working hard. Anyway, so this is your overflow. This will be all done today. Good to go. Finish that up on the other side of the check valve.
Yeah.
Check valve for that tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, never dull moment. Life of a Contractor, heading out to another job site. We'll talk to you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.